what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, baby, if you are DJ Envy, you should be very, very worried. The man you tried to say you weren't doing business with and you don't know him, and how dare people accuse you of any wrongdoing in the real estate scheme that basically bought an empire down? Cesar Pena. Remember how DJ Envy last month was his lawyer was like, we're fully cooperating with the police and the feds. And what are you talking about? And everybody's just like, oh my God, DJ Envy's taking a plea deal. And I said, ain't no plea deal. The feds have them pretty much dead to rights. Well, guess what? Somebody is taking a plea deal. It's just not who DJ Envy wants. It looks like Cesar Pena, pizza, right? Is literally looking to take a plea deal with the feds. And it looks like the feds actually might do it because remember I told y'all the feds, they only want to take down the big fishes. Like Caesar, it's like, yeah, that's cool, but you already been in jail and like whatever. We already know your wife's the brains. This is what I'm imagining they're saying. But DJ Envy to take down a nationally syndicated radio host, ooh, they are chomping at the bit. And it looks like, if this can be believed, DJ Envy was more involved than he said, but as much as everybody pretty much knew. Also, you want to hear something funny? Cesar has just been accused of dodging another process server because more and more people are starting to sue. I wonder how many process servers DJ Envy dodged, but I guess he can't because everybody know where he works. Cesar ain't got no job. They just better send it to Cesar's wife's job. Anyway, let's get into the first thing. Cesar Pena, DJ Envy's former business partner, may take a plea deal in real estate fraud case. You see how they went to him being DJ Envy's friend to now his former business partner? This is from Vibe. The New Jersey resident who's recently arrested for wire fraud may be taking a plea deal after being charged with illegally obtaining money from several real estate investors. All Hip Hop obtained court documents which included a statement from Cesar's attorney saying counsel for the parties represented that this additional continuance is necessary for effective preparation and to permit the parties to attempt to resolve this case prior to indictment, thereby avoiding a trial. Plea negotiations are currently in progress, and both the United States and the defendant desire additional time to negotiate a plea agreement, which would render grand jury proceedings and a trial in this matter unnecessary. Cesar Pena, whose business moniker is Flipping New Jersey, was arrested back in October for wire fraud. DJ Envy hasn't been charged with anything. That's going to change. But his name has come up regularly in connection to Cesar's shady business dealings. Now, this is what DJ Envy said. He said, now, if, hold on, y'all. My phone was going off when I'm in the middle of something. They said, now, Cesar, if he took the money, I wasn't privy to it, nor did I even know. Hope he's telling the truth. But I do understand how people feel if they did give him money because I gave him a lot of money that I didn't see a dollar in return. For anybody to say I was involved, that's totally not true. I would never. I've been on radio close to 30 years, and never in my 30 years did I do nothing but try to uplift the people. You know, that is a bold statement to say when you were his literal right hand man. You were the one that advertised all over America to bring in a funnel for you and Cesar's real estate investments and for you to stand up there and give them ideas on how you got rich. At the very least, you committed fraud because everything you're saying, you're admitting now wasn't true. At the very most, you were a willing participant. I'm guessing on willing participant. Even him saying he didn't see a dime back, you were sitting up there showing money. You saw money back. Or are you trying to say you didn't get your 500,000 initial investment back? But everybody knows that's the way it doesn't get. You don't get the investment back. You just get the dividends. Anyway, right? Listen, they said DJ Envy's, oh, hold on. While Pino echoed the sentiment in a tell-all video, he did take issue. This is what Cesar said, with DJ Envy being presented as a victim. DJ Envy's attorney's defense that DJ Envy is a victim, that's the dumbest ish I ever heard in my life. That makes two of us. Me and him were partners in the real estate seminars. We were partners in a couple of real estate transactions. That's it. He's not a victim. He's my partner. He was an investor. He was more than an investor. He was a funnel. And I'm willing to bet that when all this comes out, he was a managing partner. A managing partner in the business is where you don't have to give money, you give sweat equity. Sweat equity is when you give something of value that is not cash. It could be free promotion, it could be free advertising. It could be literally operating as a true funnel to bring people into the business. Again, my opinion, based off of information and belief and what I've seen, DJ Envy should be ashamed of himself. But again, the same way he's acting with his real estate is the same way he acted when his wife was cheating on him. Not taking accountability. It's your, and then being like, yeah, I got to learn to like be better. But you still didn't take accountability. Y'all listen. It's a wrap for DJ Envy. Cesar is taking, well, he's trying to negotiate a plea deal, and he's closer to the plea deal now than DJ Envy ever was. DJ Envy tried to get a plea deal, but the feds were like, nah, get out of here. Get out of here. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Does he have a plea? Is he working feds? DJ Envy tried. The feds told him no. Again, the feds only give plea deals if you give them information that one, they do not have, and two, they could not have figured out themselves. That's how it does. Again, Cesar giving up tape on DJ Envy. Now, baby, that's worth something. That is 100% worth something, y'all. Is this what the Breakfast Club? Oh, also, what happened with the Breakfast Club? Did y'all hear about that? Just hilarious. She announced that she was the permanent host. And then DJ Envy and Charlemagne were like, yo, what happened? Like, what? DJ Envy sat there with like a weird look on his face. But Charlemagne looked like he was really, really upset. I know that he was pretty tight with Jess Hilarious. He liked her a lot. But I wonder what this all means. Why is this happening? Do you think the Breakfast Club is going to get canceled? I doubt it, right? Because they would just bring in, even with Envy getting arrested, if he has to go to jail, I don't think they would stop anything. But you know what? Let me check something. But I'm sure we'll hear in the next day or two when Jess Hilarious makes a statement about what actually happened in the Breakfast Club. Whatever happened, it was really sad, and it's really messed up that they let her announce that she was the official co-host, and then a day later took it all back from her. But I guess, right? That's what you do. Now, let's actually talk about this, because you cannot tell me that a man that just did this was the head of a $100 million real estate investment fraud scheme. Let's get into this. They said exclusive. DJ Envy's former business partner, Cesar Pena, is trying to duck a lawsuit. They said it looks like DJ Envy's former alleged business partner, Cesar Pena, let me put this up here, is ducking the fade. This is from All Hip Hop. And the victims in one of his ongoing real estate fraud lawsuits. I know that's right. What else are you going to do? Because yeah, you like, what else are you going to do? He acting dodging it like they about to take away his lunch money. So what is he doing? They said DJ Envy and Cesar Pena, also known as Flip in New Jersey, have faced serious allegation challenges. The pair hosted seminars which focus on buying properties for them to flip for profit, luring multiple investors. However, these investors later claimed they were swindled out of considerable sums, with losses ranging from $100,000 to $5 million for a Miami-based musician. Who's the musician they stole from? $5 million. DJ Envy literally probably took one of the guests that came up to the Breakfast Club and literally conned them out of money to jail. Now, DJ Envy, of course, hasn't been charged with a crime. Okay, so a lawyer representing some of the victims are asking a judge to help locate Cesar Pena because he's allegedly trying to avoid being served for this particular lawsuit. AllHipHop.com obtained an affidavit from one of the process servers who claims he tried to serve Pena 5 different times at his house in New Jersey. Well, first of all, if you really want to get him affidavit, sir, they need to increase their money on the affidavit service. He's negotiating with the feds right now. Just coordinate with the feds, and you can't serve them in the courthouse, but you can stand outside the courthouse. And come on, there's only one way Cesar can go in her eye. It's not like you're going to miss that man or he's going to slip out like he's the mask. You're going to see Cesar going in and coming. It's cool. Listen, that is the way you can serve him. They said that they're literally they haven't been able to serve. On each occasion, the service was attempted. The process server observed cars parked in the driveway, but no one answered the door. All you literally should have sat there and said, "Delivery, pizza, delivery. I guess I'm gonna have to take these Chinese food back to the place." Don't you know? Just act like you bringing food to the family. They'll do it. I'm sure they ordering food all the time. Um, or wait until their Instacart driver comes. So I have to go there and tell the process server how to do its job. I'm already thinking about ways. Anyway, no one answers. They've had to resort to alternative methods of service. They're asking a judge for permission to mail the complaint. Again, y'all, listen, I don't doubt that Cesar is dodging. I don't doubt that Cesar is in big trouble. What I do doubt is that DJ Envy will ever be able to outrun this mess. Y'all, I'm just saying, DJ Envy is on the radio sitting so sure that can't nobody touch him. Baby, let's wait for the other shoe to fall. Anyway, y'all, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.